Hey guys, are you want to buy best computer internal sound cards? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best computer internal sound cards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Creative BlasterX AE-5 sound cards. The Sound BlasterX AE-5 is a premium PCIe DAC designed to deliver outstanding high-resolution audio for gaming, music, and movies. Powered by the Sabre 32 Ultra Class DAC, it ensures crystal clear sound quality with rich detail and immersive depth, making every audio experience more engaging. Ideal for gamers and audiophiles alike, it elevates sound precision, enhancing both entertainment and competitive performance. Beyond audio excellence, the AE-5 also adds visual flair with customizable RGB LEDs built into its body, complemented by an included RGB LED strip for dynamic lighting effects inside your PC build. Compact and stylish, it fits seamlessly into modern gaming rigs, with package dimensions of 6.6 by 26.6 by 21.0 centimeters, combining top-tier sound performance with customizable aesthetics. The Sound BlasterX AE-5 is a versatile upgrade for those who want both high-quality audio and a personalized setup. It's a powerful choice for anyone seeking a balance of cutting-edge technology, performance, and design. Now our second product is Creative BlasterX AE-5 Plus sound cards. The Sound BlasterX AE-5 Plus is a premium PCIe DAC designed for gamers, audiophiles, and creators who demand pristine audio and powerful features. Supporting Dolby Digital Live and DTS encoding, it offers versatile delivery options to external devices while enabling 5.1 discrete and 7.1 virtual surround for a truly immersive soundstage. Equipped with Sound Blaster's XAMP discrete headphone amplifier, it uses biamplification technology to drive each ear cup individually, powering high-end headphones up to 600 ohms with ease, including planar magnetic models. At its core, the Sabre 32 Ultra Class DAC delivers up to 32-bit/384 kHz playback, 122 dB DNR, and ultra-low distortion for stunning high-res audio across games, music, and movies. Beyond performance, the AE-5 Plus brings style with customizable RGB lighting and an included LED strip, controllable via Sound Blaster command software. Combined with industry-leading audio processing enhancements, including surround virtualization and bass boost, the AE-5 Plus elevates your entire entertainment experience with both premium sound quality and customizable aesthetics. Our third product is Creative Fx V2 sound cards. The Sound Blaster Audigy Fx V2 is a fantastic upgrade for PC users who want richer, high-resolution audio without overloading their CPU. Offering up to 24-bit/192 kHz playback and 120 dB DNR clarity, it provides crisp, immersive sound with support for both 5.1 discrete and virtual surround, perfect for movies, music, and gaming. Equipped with a built-in headphone amplifier, it can drive 600 ohms studio-grade headphones while allowing customization through EQ profiles and Sound Blaster's acoustic engine technologies. For gamers, Scout Mode sharpens in-game audio cues, giving a competitive edge. The SmartComms kit is another highlight, simplifying online communication with voice detect for hands-free muting and noise clean to filter background noise during calls. Its compact half-height design with interchangeable mounting brackets ensures compatibility with most PC setups. For even greater performance, an optional daughterboard expansion adds 7.1 surround, DSD256 playback, and optical out. Overall, the Audigy Fx V2 is a versatile sound card that blends pristine audio quality with modern features. Now number 4, Creative Blaster ZSE sound cards. The Sound Blaster ZSE is a powerful upgrade for anyone seeking pristine audio clarity and immersive gaming sound. Delivering up to 116 dB SNR with 24-bit/192 kHz playback, it ensures crystal clear, high-fidelity performance for music, movies, gaming, and even recording. Gold-plated connectors, speaker optimization, and ASIO support add to its premium audio experience. Gamers will love the SBX gaming EQ profiles, optimized for popular titles like Apex Legends, PUBG, Overwatch, and Fortnite. These presets are ready to go out of the box, with further customization available via the Sound Blaster command software. For immersion, the ZS supports 7.1 virtual surround on headphones and speakers alongside discrete 5.1 setups, plus Dolby Digital Live and DTS encoding for more connectivity options. Switching between speakers and headphones is simple, making it highly versatile. Communication is equally strong, thanks to Crystal Voice technology and mic EQ presets that reduce noise, enhance clarity, and ensure your voice always comes through clean and natural. And our last choice is Creative Blaster 30 SB sound cards. The Sonic Studio gaming audio system is designed to elevate your in-game audio experience with precision and flexibility. Featuring a programmable rate mode, it allows gamers to switch seamlessly between immersive game audio and chat channel focus, ensuring you never miss critical in-game cues or teammate communications. The tabletop control box puts all essential controls right at your fingertips, letting you adjust settings quickly without disrupting gameplay. The system is powered by innovative Sonic Studio software, which offers intuitive control over every audio aspect and includes Sonic Radar Pro, an in-game overlay that visualizes the direction of incoming sounds for tactical awareness. Complementing the software, the 600 ohms headphone amplifier provides crystal clear, detailed audio, even with high-impedance studio-grade headphones, ensuring every footstep, gunfire, and environmental sound is heard with precision. With its combination of powerful hardware, user-friendly controls, and advanced software features, this audio system is an ideal choice for competitive gamers and audiophiles looking for total control and immersion in their gaming environment. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.